Alright, as promised before, no intros, no filler, just straight to what I'm trying to show you guys. And the website today, it's actually really unique and I love it. I tried it about a month ago. I think I tried 4 contests. Unfortunately, I didn't win any. I'm not that creative. I'm sure many of you are. And there's a lot of money to be made here. So what this is Squadhelp. The gist of this website is companies come in here, they look for help naming either their company or their domain. They look for help creating logos, and they mark them as contests in here. So on a side note too, you could also, if you were starting a company, you could come here, open up a contest and have people help you with the name. It's real simple sign up, and once you get there, it's really easy. So they give you like a score, and you also have points. And in the description below, I'll leave a link. It is if you do sign up with that link, it's to this. You get bonus points, and I'll talk about those bonus points a little bit later in the video. But they're good to have. So when we get on the contest here, so go to my contest. You always want to look for the eligible to enter, because that tells you what you are, and you always want to see guaranteed award. So this one's $100, this one's $100, this one's $100. These ones are closed. So let's open up. Let's open up this. Okay, so this company is looking for a company name. They're a professional building maintenance service company looking for a catchy name. It'll give you a description of what they do, which is always important to read because that'll help you maybe generate a name. However, if you're not creative, and again, I'm not that creative, there's a kind of an easy way to go around this. So you can open up Google, and you could type in something like, there you go, business name generator. Yeah, here, we'll just go to this one. No. Let's see what else. Here, we'll go to this one. Now, see, we will go in, and you see I've used this for the past ones. There was a psychologist looking for a name, a company. Let's see, a company that was trying to make clothes for pregnant women, like a maternity, and a company, a CBD cannabis oil company, and a healthcare technology. I think I tried out for another one for construction, so we would look there and we could do something like, we'll close this out. So there, we got construction, and let's see if we can see something else. We keep the outside areas clean and tidy. What else are they looking for? Construction, and we'll put building maintenance in there as well. So we'll hit generate names, and you'll see all kind of different names come up here, at least ideas. So, and if you don't like any of them, here's the thing, you can mix and match them. You don't have to go with one of these. So you would come up with your name, you would go back to them, you would hit submit your entry. All you would do is type it in here. You could type in a domain for it. It will let you know if it's eligible or not as soon as you type it in, and the reason you're actually want to use that name. And then you would submit your entry. You can submit numerous entries for one contest. So I do want to show you guys real quick. We want to go to winners. I want to show you how much money leaderboard contest won. Let's see, we'll go to high ratings. Alright, no, you know what? We'll go to something better than that. I want you guys to actually see how much these people are making from this. Okay, so last month this user here won 7. Now this is their total amount earned so far, but look, $59,261 she's made. This second one here is $19,244. You go down, these are big numbers, guys. Like this is real money that you get paid out here. And I know before I was talking about those points. Now, like I said, I left a link in there where you get bonus points. So what you can do with these points is, say you don't win your entry. I haven't won any of the 4 or 5 that I've done. However, what I did with the points I had is for 10 points, they will put it on sell basically on their market. If it is bought from them, this is all free to you, only for these points. It's the only thing you're spending. If it's bought, you get, I want to say, 20% commission of sales off that website for the first year, 20% for the second year, 20% for the third year. And that could be huge money as well if somebody bought the name that you posted on here. You can also do it with logos. And they do make logo makers. I downloaded one from Google Chrome. It's an app. So let's see. I want to cancel this. That's not. So you go down here and you would type in things and see if you can find a logo that might match them. I haven't tried it yet. Again, I'm sure there's a lot more people out here that are way more creative than I am that could really shine in this. I'm hoping that I start to win or maybe get good at this just because it seems fun. Again, really easy sign up. The website is squadhelp.com. Again, in the link below, or in the description below, I left a link where you get a bonus. Again, this just seems like a really cool, legit way, not a scam, legit way to make money. And that's what I'm trying to do with this website, or with this channel, is I'm trying to give you guys ways to make money online that aren't scams, that aren't MLM and things like that you just get bombarded with, where you can make a legit money online. And if you have the time, you can make full-time money online. Maybe you're a stay-at-home parent. Maybe you're just out of work, can't find it. Maybe you're a student. This would be great for students. But that's what this channel is trying to focus on. So again, the website Squadhelp. Use the link down below. I hope you guys win some contests. So I'll try to post again here real soon. I'm only going to do it to legit ways to make money. So I'll do it as fast as I can. Until then, have a good one now.